let's go!
Day 2! Check out the views! Woo! Nice!
Right now, we are gonna do the wooden go-karting.
And Ron has full control,
I have full control of this.
so please go slow.
We are doing the double rider. So as you can see, the wooden go-kart, it's made entirely out of wood and some metal of course, but there is no gear mechanism to it. It is basically just this lever and my legs going left and right. Oh my god! Oh my god! This thing is crazy fun! Open cap. Oh. Boom. Yeah.
Never been really excited about staying in a tent before.
Yep.
Ooh, we're gonna check out our room. Wow, look at this place. So many tents. Woohoo!
I guess this is it. And the review. Alright. Wow. This is it.
Chill room. Pretty simple.
Very simple.
And good toilet.
Alright, after a quick breather and freshening up, we are off to dinner location. Well, I heard this dinner location has mountain views overlooking the sunset. So the sun sets behind the mountain.
Nice.
We are gonna head over quickly before the sun sets. So let's get going. That is the dinner venue. Dinner with a view. Good morning. So this is camp number 2. It's 7 o'clock right now. The sun just rose and we are just ready to go out. Not much of a view at this tent. We are actually facing a car park. Occupancy is so high, so all the other tents are already filled up. Well, I guess you win some, you lose some. Nonetheless, view is great. Sun just came up above the mountain. And here we go! Woo! That's a poster! that's our final night staying on Mon Jam mountain. It's been a very epic stay at both tents and igloo. So now we're gonna head down to Chiang Mai City. Cafes, restaurants, here we go.
Woohoo! Bye!